Riwruok mar jochiw thieth kuko koro lero ni onge thieth madhi nyime ute thieth mag sirkal e kaunti ma Nairobi tok riwruoge duto kamoting'o Numlo, Nan, Kuko kaachiel kod KMPDU dhi e ng'anyo. Kane gilose od thieth mar Malusi mabende chenro mathoth mag thieth ne nenore ni ochung', laktechego kotelnegi kod jakom margi Peterson Wachira oseyo sirkand kaunti ma Nairobi kuom rem kete tim winjruok mane gibedo godo higa mokalo eka gidog e tich. Laktechego ogolo siem ni sani koro mana jopuonjre ema nie thieth kendo ema thietho e moko kuom ute thieth mag sirkal ka thoth ute thieth mag ji giwegi to be sani koro pong'.
Many patients are coming here at 8 in the morning and leaving in the evening without being seen, especially those who cannot afford private care services. Those who are having to go to the private facilities, they are informing us that they are actually being exploited, where whatever they were paying there prior, now that the demand has gone up because the county is not offering services, they are being exploited on the other side. But even the private facilities cannot be able to take care of the influx of the patients because of the strike that we are having.
It should go out to the public that we have no qualified staff in this facility. We have gone round, we have evidence. The so-called doctors, nurses, clinicians who are here and in uniforms are quacks.
We are not going back to work until they honor and implement the agreement that we entered into last year, July 2025 on 16th. That agreement recognizes our training from internship to retirement.